Kigomano-ini kiria kirathie na mbere kia ambunge ethi kaunti-ini ya Embu kiria kiratongorio ni anyiti itemi a utungata wa muingi nikuo ndereti hiyo ihaririirio igi uruti wa wira wa thikũ ici uria utaratwarana na uria mahinda marathie. Akiaria kigomano-ini giki munene wa gikundi giki kia ambunge aya Jeremia kisangau augite mucemanio uyu ni guteithiriria kuuma na mwario umwe na njira imwe ya gutwithania maundu kuhurana na moritu maria ambunge ethi macemanagia namo.
We normally meet as the members of the parliament in somewhere. We discuss the challenges we are getting as the young parliamentarian and the parliamentarian all over the world. Then we come with one common the approach.
Ni uge unyitetwo mbaru ni Jacob akiuga sekta ino iri na ugondereru wa kunyitanira na utungata kuri muingi.
A lot of slowness, you know, things are just too rigid, too slow, you know, in the human resource function.
Kuringana na munini wa gavana wa Embu wikinyiti kigomano-ini giki Kinyua Mugo augite ati thirikari cia kaunti ciri na ihĩngĩca nyingĩ cia kũngania kĩgĩna gĩa kũrĩha aruti ao a wĩra arĩa marĩ thirikari-inĩ oro ũndũ ũmwe na kũmahe marĩhi ma njoherera.
One of the biggest challenges we had was the gap in the salaries and allowances for people who are working under the national government and who are working in fact under the municipalities then.
Oho akongerera ati atongoria aria maingirire wathani-ini wa matura mwaka-ini wa 2013 matiarũmanĩrĩire na uria aruti a wĩra marĩhagwo kuuma kũrĩ rũhonge rwa SRC.
The governors who came in fact from the 1st of 2013, they never followed the directives, the advisories from SRC.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru sekta-ini ino David Kanji augite ati niguo kuingira utongoria-ini ni wega kuoya mwerekera mwega wa utongoria uria ukurehe ukuria honge-ini ici cia githirikari.
Positions, and there was a topic on leadership. There's need to adopt a flexible leadership style. We have gone through a number of leadership styles, and we have seen those leadership styles that are detrimental to organizations and that are good to organizations.
Na gatho cia mwanya mundu gwitwo wa